The other day I noticed that my gate was opening kind of funny. Look at that. That's about to pop right off of there. And then this hinge here is all funky. So I need to dismount this gate and do some welding on it. I got my gate inside the shop here. You see how badly that thing bent. Looks like it bent even more since the last time I showed it to you. So I'm going to work on getting that straightened out and welded back up tight, and then I'll get the gate remounted. Alright, that looks pretty good, but I think I want to heat it up and try to get it moved over a little bit this way. Alright, got a little bit more in the center and kind of rounded it up a little bit, so it should fit better in that gate pin, and we'll go see if we can put it out there. See how it swings. Alright, so I didn't bother painting this. I probably need to come back when it's not so icy out here and put a little coat of paint on this, but this is going to hold nice and firm. I got the bolts tightened up. And this is a little better, if not, beat it as hard as I could to get it up.
That's what she said.
But I think the main issue is it needed grease, and it was dry, and so I put a lot of grease down in both pins, and I think it should be good now. All the ice is melted off the cows, but they're glad for that. Here's here's a look at the hay bales that I put out before this cold spell started. Looks like they knocked down one completely, worked on another one, and haven't touched this one too much, but they got a lot of surplus. I'm glad to see that. I'll tell you one thing, I can't hardly take this bright snow. I have to wear sunglasses. I have light colored eyes, and apparently people that have light colored eyes, they're more affected by the bright light of sunlight, and man, when it's reflecting off that snow, it's really strong. I have a daughter that has the same issue. When she goes outside to take a picture, when it's bright outside, she can't hardly open her eyes. So we always have to take her picture in the shade so she can actually show her opened eyes. But I'm glad I don't live up north where this happens a lot. It doesn't happen too much down here where we're at in Texas, so at least I'm glad about that. Big bull right there. Getting him up in the water. Pretty girl. Hey girl. This here's Daisy. She's the grandmother of this calf here. Hey girl. So they were thirsty. Thirsty cows. One thing I've noticed is there's all these small birds hanging around. They like to get in the garage and the workshop and hanging out under the porches of the house for shelter. But I've noticed them hanging around a lot of these cow patties, and I think they're digging around in them and picking out seeds and stuff. Since everything snowed over, they're not able to get to the normal seeds that they pick out of the fields, so they're having to resort to eating up cow patties, which is kind of disgusting, but you know, you do what you got to do, I guess. But I've been seeing all the cow patties kind of scattered around, and was curious what that was, but it's these little birds. I don't know what they are. Are they finches? Here's another one. Interesting behavior. And here's what the cow turds look like when they've been spread around. Like, they really disperse the material really well. I guess they picked out everything they want. But that's what they're eating. Hey girls. Hey girls. Well, let's go see if they have water or ice. Looks like it froze over, but it's just a real thin glaze there. We'll come over here and bust this little side up and call them over. Come on. They could have stepped into this and got all the water they needed. So this isn't really necessary, but since I'm here, I'll get it busted up. There you go. There you go. Y'all been drinking already, hadn't y'all? Y'all ain't thirsty. Good girl. Good girl. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay, girl. What you running off for? What are you doing? What are you doing, girl? You don't like me? What's up, girl? This is a rambunctious group. They think they're going to get grain, but I don't have any to give them today. Got to go back to the feed store once it thaws back out. All right, y'all look good. Glad that ice is off of y'all, huh? See y'all later.